You plan to buy this lithium battery. It has a nominal voltage of 25.6 volts, a capacity of 200 amp hours, and stores 5.12 kilowatt hours of energy. Now you are wondering, what size of inverter is right for this battery? Should you buy a 2 kilowatt inverter, a 3 kilowatt inverter, a 5 kilowatt inverter, or should you simply buy the biggest inverter you can afford? Many people assume that a bigger inverter is always better, but that's one of the most common mistakes in solar system design. An oversized inverter can demand more current from the battery than it is designed to deliver, causing poor performance or even forcing the battery management system, or BMS, to shut the battery down. In this video, you'll learn how to determine the correct inverter size for any battery, using simple mathematics and real engineering principles. Then, we'll apply those same calculations to this 5.6 volt, 200 amp hour, 12 kilowatt hour lithium battery so you can see exactly how the process works. Before we begin, if you enjoy practical solar engineering explained in a simple and easy to understand way, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us create more educational content like this, and you'll never miss our future videos on solar. The answer lies in understanding the relationship between voltage, power, and current. Once you understand this relationship, you'll be able to size an inverter for virtually any battery, whether it's a 12 volt, 24 volt, or 48 volt system. Everything starts with one simple electrical equation: power equal voltage times current. This equation may look simple, but it's the foundation of every solar power system. It tells us how much current an inverter will draw from a battery when supplying power to your appliances. Let's see how it works with a simple example. Before we return to our 5.6 volt, 200 amp hour lithium battery. Suppose you have a 24 volt battery and you connect it to a 240 watt inverter. To find out how much current the inverter will draw from the battery, we simply rearrange our equation. Current equal power divided by voltage. Then substitute the values. Current equals 2400 divided by 24. Current equals 100 amps. Now, let's increase the inverter size. The 240 watt inverter changes into a 480 watt inverter. Current equals 4800 divided by 24. Current equals 200 amps. Notice what happened. By doubling the inverter's power rating, the current drawn from the battery also doubled. From 100 amps to 200 amps. The battery voltage stayed exactly the same. The battery capacity stayed exactly the same. The only thing that changed was the size of the inverter. 2.4 kilowatts 100A, 4.8 kilowatts 200C. This demonstrates an important principle in solar power systems. A larger inverter doesn't magically produce more energy. Instead, it has the ability to draw more current from the battery whenever your appliances demand more power. And that's why choosing the largest inverter you can afford isn't always the right decision. The battery must be capable of supplying that current safely and continuously. Now that we've understood the principle using a simple example, let's apply the same calculation to the battery we introduced at the beginning of this video. This battery has a nominal voltage of 25.6 volts, a capacity of 200 amp hours, and stores 5.12 kilowatt hours of energy. We'll start with a 2 kilowatt inverter, then move to 3 kilowatts, 4 kilowatts, and finally 5 kilowatts. To determine which inverter sizes are appropriate for this battery and, more importantly, why. Voltage 25.6 volts, capacity 200 R, energy 5.12 kWh. Let's begin with a 2 kilowatt inverter. Remember, we're interested in one thing: how much current the inverter will draw from the battery when operating at full load. Current equals power voltage. Substitute the values. Current equals 2000 W 25.6 volts. Current equals 78.1 amps. A 2 kilowatt inverter will draw approximately 78 amps from this battery when delivering its full rated output. That's well within the capabilities of most 200 amp hour lithium batteries, making a 2 kilowatt inverter an excellent match for this battery. Now, let's see what happens when we increase the inverter size to 3 kilowatts. Current equals 3000 divided by 25.6. Current equals 117.2 amps. A 3 kilowatt inverter draws approximately 117 amps at full load. Although the current has increased, it's still within the operating range of many lithium battery systems. For many homes, this is often a practical balance between power and battery stress. Now let's consider a 4 kilowatt inverter. Current equals 4000 divided by 25.6. Current equals 156.3 amps. Now things become more interesting. With a 4 kilowatt inverter, the battery current increases to approximately 156 amps. While this is still within the capability of many lithium batteries equipped with a high current BMS, the battery will experience greater stress whenever the inverter operates near it. So what have we learned from all these calculations? A 2 kilowatt inverter draws about 78 amps, very safe and battery friendly. A 3 kilowatt inverter draws around 117 amps, still comfortable for most lithium systems. A 4 kilowatt inverter pushes the current to about 156 amps usable, but with increased stress. And beyond this point, we must start paying very close attention to the battery's BMS limits and thermal performance. Now let's bring everything together. This to 5.6 volt, 200 amp hour lithium battery from Ital Energy has a practical continuous discharge limit of around 200 amps. That means its safe continuous power ceiling is roughly 5 kilowatts. So what is the correct inverter size? The answer is not a single number. It depends on how you use the system. If your loads are light and you want maximum battery lifespan, a 2 to 3 kilowatt inverter is ideal. If you want a balance between performance and capability, a 4 kilowatt inverter is the practical upper limit. And while a 5 kilowatt inverter can technically work, it should only be used if your load management is controlled and you understand the battery will frequently operate near its limit. Anything beyond that does not increase your usable energy. It only increases the demand on the battery. And if the current exceeds the BMS limit, the system will simply shut down to protect itself.
Oh, yeah. Took a left turn at the last sec.
So here is the most important takeaway from this entire lesson. A larger inverter does not give you more power from your battery. It only gives you the ability to demand more power from it. If the battery cannot safely supply the demand, the system will protect itself by limiting output or shutting down completely. If you understand this simple relationship between voltage, current, and power, you can correctly size any solar system, whether it's 12 volts, 24 volts, or 48 volts without guesswork. In the next video, we'll go further and look at how inverter efficiency, surge loads, and cable sizing also affect real-world system performance. Thanks for watching.